case for Huawei P40 Pro Nillkin frosted shield wear-resistant hard PC case anti-skidding phone shell case dust-proof back cover anti-fingerprint case cover for Huawei P40 Pro Red. 100% brand new with high quality. Compatible for Huawei P40 Pro. Hard back cover. The rigidity is good enough not to transfer and break off easily. PC shell case use imported environmental PC materials meet the international environmental standards. The surface uses salient point design wear-resistant anti-skidding dust-proof anti-fingerprint, an easy-to-clean.The camera hole is precise cutouts 0.2 mm raised from the camera well to protect it from scratch. 100% with tracking number sold by OPDENK. USA shipping time will take and reach to you is about 7 to 15 days.